How to make money with Forex. Forex trading can be a way to make money, but it also carries a high level of risk. Here are some ways to make money with Forex trading. 1. Use a strategy. Develop a trading strategy that works for you and stick to it. 1. This will help you make consistent and logical trades, rather than impulsive decisions. 2. Use risk management. Implement risk management techniques, such as setting stop-loss orders, to limit your potential losses. 2. This will help you stay in the market for the long term. 3. Understand the market. Keep up to date with economic and political events that can affect currency values. 3. This will help you make informed trades and predict market movements. 4. Learn from experience. Keep track of your trades and learn from your experiences. 4. Take note of what works and what doesn't, and make adjustments to your strategy as needed. 5. Diversify your portfolio. Diversify your portfolio by trading multiple currency pairs, rather than putting all of your money into one trade. 6. Be patient. Don't expect to make a lot of money quickly. 6. Forex trading is a long-term strategy and requires patience to be successful. 7. Utilize leverage. Forex trading allows you to use leverage, which can multiply the gains you make. 7. However, it's important to remember that leverage also amplifies your losses. 7. Be sure to use leverage cautiously and never invest more than you can afford to lose. 8. Consider automation. Automation can be useful to implement your strategy in the market and save time. 8. However, it's important to be careful when using automated trading systems and keep track of the progress. It's important to remember that Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it takes time, knowledge and patience to be successful. Also, it's important to seek professional advice, and only invest money you can afford to lose.